Bagel pizzas done in your air fryer. Dead quick, dead simple. This is a midweek tea ticked off in no time at all that you're going to go back to again and again. Right, let's get straight into it and see how they're made. Welcome back to the channel, One Air Fryer Too Many. Make sure you are hitting that subscribe so you don't miss another air fryer video, and obviously head over to One Air Fryer Too Many on Facebook and join our group, our community of people, and pick up some tips, hints and tricks for your air fryer at home. Right, next, so we have got some bagels. I've got some New York deli bagels, and these are the lighter bagels. So basically it says they're up to 30% less calories. I'm on a bit of a health kick at the minute, so hopefully these won't be too bad by the end of it. So I've got 2 packs of bagels. I've got some Mutti chopped tomatoes. Now they do sell Mutti pizza sauce, which has to be said is one of the best pizza sauces you can get. The controversial bit, some pineapple. Do you like pineapple on your pizza? Let me know in the comments below. Got some cheese. Then we've got some toppings. I've got some ham that's going to go on with the pineapple. I've got some peppered German salami. I've got some sliced chorizo, and I've got some hot and spicy chicken. So we're going to do a variety of different ones. I'm going to show you how to make them and how to cook them in the air fryer, and I'm basically just going to cook all of these by the end and have a nice big pile of different ones. Kids in the house are going mad. Hurry up dad, get these cooked. So I better get on with it. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we're going to put the bottoms in the basket, because we want the air to actually, get round it all. Then we're going to open the bagels. So I am using the Kasori twin fry for this video today. If you're interested, take a look on my Amazon store for the links, and also in the description. Right, so I can get 3 bagels in at a time, laid down nice like that. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to open the sauce. And give it a little stir, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to carefully put some of this on top of the bagels. You could add some salt and pepper as well now. You could also use barbecue sauce, chili sauce, anything you like on the bottoms of these. It doesn't have to be pizza sauce based. And of course, any F1 fans, it is the Italian Grand Prix as well coming up, so you could get your Italian gig on, do some pizzas in your air fryer. Right, next, I'm then just going to sprinkle just a tiny bit of cheese on each one of these. Obviously you could make these up and carefully lift them into the basket. Right, next bit of topping. So I'm going to go on with some ham. And obviously the pineapple. Any Italians watching me are probably crying right now. A, using bagels, and B, pineapple. Gotta say though, from most of the people that watch the videos, I think most are up for the pineapple. Let me know if I'm wrong. Interestingly, also tell me whereabouts you're from in the world. Are you in England? Are you in the US? Ireland? Yeah, let me know where you are in the comments when you tell me if you like pineapple or not, just so I can get an idea. Right, next I'm going to go on with some chorizo. I'm just going to fold this over so the pieces fit nicely. We're going with 4. Even though you're always teaching cooking to use odd numbers for presentation. Right, now we're getting there. Right, then I think I'm going to do some spicy chicken. So I've just got some pre-cooked spicy chicken, and this can go on. Like that. Right, so there we go. Right, this we're now going to put in the air fryer. Okay, let's switch this on. In fact, I need to plug it in. Right, so I'm going to switch it on. We're going to press Grand Zone. I've got 200 for 20 minutes. I'm just going to leave it at that set. It's not going to need 20 minutes, but we'll have a look. I'm just going to press play. And we're going to look at these after about between 6 and 8 minutes. Okay, so we've been going for just coming up to 6 minutes, and the first batch are done. Look at them. Right, I'm going to get these out. We're going to get another batch in, and we're just going to keep going until all these bagels are done. Some German salami. I love this stuff. Some pastrami would have been nice. Unfortunately, couldn't get any. And then let's do some more pepperoni ones, or chorizo, because I know the kids will absolutely devour these anyway. Off we go again. Oh yes, look at these ones, looking yummy. Get these ones out. I'm going to use some more chicken to go on the peri peri sort of Korean spicy mayo. It's always a good idea to use cooked chicken on something that cooks this quick, because raw chicken you just won't have the time factor to cook it through. Back in. Right. Last batch is done. Yes. I think these looking pretty good. Right, let's get them into a box. Not really sure how to do this, as in the best way, but so we've got salami, and I'm going to let's put the normal chicken, and maybe the ham and pineapple in that one. One, I'm going to go with the barbecue ham, the chorizo, and the spicy chicken. Right, so there we have it guys. Air fryer pizza bagels, all of that's taking me less than about 35 minutes. I think they are going to be a winner with the kids inside and with me. So let's have a little taste. Our Italian chef up the road, Billatoni, who lives on my street, he would have loved this. I'm going to get him on the channel one day. Let me know in the comments below, are you going to try it? I really hope you do. I really hope to see you over on my Facebook group, and of course make sure you are hitting that subscribe. New videos every week to keep you and your air fryer needs topped up. Anything you'd like to see cooked on the channel, again, pop me a comment in the comment section below, and again, I'll be sure to reply to you. Until next time everybody, thanks for watching and I'll see you again next Saturday.